IGNOU Bachelor of Library and Information Science Question Paper Code BLI 221. Question number 1. Libraries are fundamentally a service-oriented organization. 2. Information and knowledge are deemed to be social wealth. Hence, the benefits of this social wealth should be available to all the members of the society. Number 3. Which one of the following is not among the 4 models identified by Brophy? Library as only for preservation. Number 4. The most important role libraries should play is to facilitate and support learning. Number 5. It is important to preserve and maintain the valuable knowledge and information contained in the books and documents for the coming generations. 6. Society itself has undergone significant changes at different periods of human history, which are the agrarian society, the industrial society, and post-industrial society. 7. The information society is a direct consequence of the data explosion, the growing information consciousness and information dependence of society at large, accelerating developments in computing and communication technologies, all of the above. Correct answer, all of the above. 8. In an ideal knowledge society, all people will have open and timely access to information and knowledge, the capacity to absorb and interpret information, avenues and opportunities to use knowledge and decision making and for transformation to higher quality lives. All of the above is the correct answer. 9. Which of the following is not a part of Right to Information Act RTI? Right to Information Act is only meant for government employee. 10. Gradually, the power of RTI Act is unfolding as people are becoming more and more aware of their rights. 11. Intellectual property is divided into 2 categories, industrial property and copyright. Which are the areas included in industrial property? Inventions or patents, trademarks, industrial designs and geographic indications of source. 13. Which are the areas included in copyright? Literary and artistic works like poems, films, musical, artistic works, etc. 14. What does WIPO stands for? World Intellectual Property Organization. 15. When did Copyright Act 1957 came into effect? From January 1958. 16. Prior to the Act of 1957, the law of copyrights in our country was governed by which Copyright Act? Copyright Act of 1914. 17. Which of the following is not an intellectual property law? Customs Act 1962. 18. In India, the term of copyright for an author lasts how long? The life of the author plus 60 years. 19. The rights of a patentee are sell or distribute, license, assign the property to others, all of the above. All of the above is the correct answer. 20. In most countries, generally how long does copyright last for? 50 years after the death of the person who created that work. 21. When did the Information Technology Act come into existence in India? on 9th June 2000. 22. Which is the act which provides legal framework for e-governance in India? IT Act 2000. 23. IT Act 2000 amended various sections of which of the following acts? Reserve Bank of India Act 1934, Indian Evidence Act 1872 and Bankers Book Evidence Act 1891, Indian Penal Code 1860. All of the above is the correct answer. 24. What is the punishment for hacking of computers? 3-year imprisonment or 2 lakh rupees penalty or both. 25. What is the punishment for identity theft in IT Act? 3-year imprisonment or 1 lakh rupees penalty or both. 26. What do you understand by social wealth? Wealth available freely to all members of a society. 27. What is the main purpose of a Public Library Act? Help in the growth and development of libraries. 28. The public libraries in a developing society should preserve cultural heritage, favor cultural diversity and support oral tradition, provide access to all forms of cultural expression, make efforts to foster intercultural dialogue. All of the above is the correct answer. 29. The public library should serve as a local information center, making the sources of knowledge readily available to the public. Public libraries should stimulate neo-literates, semi-literates, non-users to become readers, serve with knowledge as local information gateways to national and global knowledge. All of the above is the correct answer. 30. Which one of the following is not the reason for the need of library legislation? It will strengthen library membership drive. 31. Which one of the following is not a salient feature of Model Act of S.R. Ranganathan? All the recruitment will take place under its recommendation. 32. Which is not among the salient features of Model Bill of Ministry of Education? Take complete control and used as profit-making organization. 33. What is resource sharing? Sharing of extra documents to other libraries. 34. Which one of the main objectives of Indian Library Association? Promoting library movement in the country. 35. One of the essential functions of library networks. Promotion and creation of resource sharing. 36. Library consortium is an association of 2 or more libraries formed to work together toward achieving a chosen goal such as resource sharing, sharing of manpower, sharing of library equipment, all of the above. All of the above is the correct answer. 37. The first center to use computer in the library and information activities in India is Enstock. 38. Many librarians across the globe accept that Ranganathan's 5 laws as the foundation of LIS philosophy. 39. Which one of the following work is associated with librarianship? Classification. 40. What are the main leadership roles performed by a school librarian? Teacher, instructional partner, information specialist and program administrator. 41. Ethics is the science of moral. It is one of the branches of the subject of philosophy. 42. Ethics is the set of moral principles that governs the person's professional conduct, behavior, morality, values, commitment and obligation to the society or profession. All of the above is the correct answer. 43. According to P.S.G. Kumar, the motto of professional ethics in library and information science is to provide dedicated service, build up the knowledge base of the professional, maintain neutrality to caste, creed, regions and idealism. All of the above is the correct answer. 44. Which one of the following is not the value of ethics? Options are guide the professionals in decision making in professional work, enhance and validate the image of a profession and professional, help the librarians to project their practices. Correct answer is to suppress others. 45. An information society is a society in which the creation, distribution, diffusion, uses, integration and manipulation of information is a significant economic, political and cultural activity. True. 46. The college library has to be made the intellectual hub of the institution, serving equally both the students and teachers. True. 47. Who of the following have not contributed to post-industrial society? S.R. Ranganathan. 48. A dash is a stage in the evolution of community brains towards a world brain. Information society. 49. Knowledge society makes available knowledge easily to all, overcoming the dash in the society. Divides. 50. Which of the three primary types of capital, human capital, structural capital and customer capital, are most important for a knowledge society? Human capital. Agricultural libraries, medical libraries and engineering libraries are examples of special libraries. 52. The key characteristics of a true virtual library are: there is no corresponding physical collection, documents will be available in electronic formats, documents are not stored in any one location. All of the above is the correct answer. 53. Dash library is a term used by librarians to describe libraries containing a mix of traditional print library resources and electronic resources. Hybrid library. 54. Which of the following is not a knowledge creating institution? Options are university, research and development laboratory, library, market. Market is the correct answer. 55. Selecting, abstracting, extracting and dash information are the activities of an IAC, that is information analysis and consolidation. Evaluating. 56. Data collection, control, codification and retrieval are activities of a data integration center. 57. ICT has made possible the dash of information. Deinstitutionalization, institutionalization, organization, all of the above is the correct answer. 58. Information broking rests on the axial principle, information for payment. 59. Dash are mediators between information sources and information users. Information holders. 60. ICOLC stands for International Coalition of Library Consortia. 61. INDES stands for Indian National Digital Library of Engineering, Science and Technology. 62. Major components of a library and information network are online databases, computer hardware and software infrastructure, data networks, member libraries and human networks. 63. FOSA is a consortia in the subject astronomy and astrophysics. 64. CILIP was earlier known as LA. 65. ALA drafted the Code of Ethics for library professionals on the following relations: the governing authority, their constituency, their fellow employees within the library, their profession and society. 66. The evolution of LIS profession can be categorized into dash, vocational and professional period. Academic. 67. The word organism code is a library science term. 68. Physical condition of the books should be properly maintained. This is known as conservation. 69. NA is the Library Association of Great Britain. 70. Which of these is the oldest library? Asiatic Society Library, Bombay.